Okay, so after last week, what I'm going to do now is go over a bit of algebra, just because it was a bit obvious, from just looking at some people's tests that they hadn't done algebra in a while, and it would be good just to remind everyone. So we're going to work through algebra and a few algebra skills just over the next couple of weeks. And starting off with just expanding out of a single bracket. Now, the easiest way to do this is to always write it down, and then you multiply the term on the outside by the term on the inside. So I'm going to draw some lines. If these lines help you, then it might be worth drawing them on your own work as well. So we're going to do 3 multiplied by the x, which is going to equal 3x, and 3 multiplied by the 4, which is 12. And that, put nice and simply, is how you will expand the bracket. Okay, that's a really straightforward one, all positive terms. So I'll move on to one that's got a negative in it, but you do the exact same process. So first things first, 3 times 5, we've got 15. Then we do 3 times negative 3x. Now be careful, this is a positive multiplied by a negative. Positive times by a negative is also a negative. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Okay, but it's 3x, so it's negative 9x. So that is what this one would look like multiplied out. 3 times negative 3x, 3 lots of negative 3x is negative 9x. Okay, now moving on to the last one. This is probably a bit more, it's a bit trickier. I've got an x on the outside and an x on the inside, but the same principles still apply. So I've got, first off, negative 2x times 5. 5 lots of negative 2x. Negative times a positive, that is negative 10x. Now I've included this one because this shows a negative times a negative. The important thing is negative times a negative, that gives us a positive. Okay? Negative 2 times negative 3 gives us positive 6. Now it's not positive 6x because I've got an x here and I've got an x there. It's 6x squared. I'm not entirely sure if Heggerty goes into the squareds with an x inside and outside, but I thought I'd cover it just because it will come up later. Okay, so negative 2x times negative 3x, negative times negative is a positive, and an x term multiplied by another x term gives you x squared. Okay, this nice short video should hopefully guide you through that Heggerty task for today.